Okay, right. So this is what I want you to do for your homework. You should have seen the homework presentation in week 10 for the folder structure. So let's do this. I'm only going to quickly show you sort of things which I want you to do, and then it's not hard. Okay, so I'm logging into the back end. Remember, it is getting a delivery. 2 seconds. Didn't get a delivery. I want a home page, a portfolio page, a contact us page, and pages which go off to what your brief was, for example. Now, I'm literally going to do this so we can see the sort of things which we're going to be doing. So I need the pages. I said I want a home page. So add new. I'm just going to create this home page. Home page. I'm just going to quickly use a pre-made layout so we can get a good idea of what's going on. I'm just going to pick a business one, a businessy looking one. It's not even that important because you're going to change everything to what you want. So I'm going to use this layout, put it in, I'm going to press publish. Done. Okay. Just going to press publish. You see, like things like this section which says our work, you can create a link to different pages. So what I'm saying to you guys, you need to create a portfolio of your work. You can imagine if this was three images of your work. Brilliant. 2 seconds. And I'm back. So, what was I saying? Yeah. So these things you can create links to different pages. Okay, you need to create links to other things which you've done. Right. So there's a home page. You can put in what you want for that. For example, now if we go to the portfolio page, go to the dashboard. I'm going to add a portfolio. So portfolio is just a page, all page. Add new. I'm going to call it portfolio. Portfolio. Portfolio again. I'm just quickly showing us how to make it nice and easy. I had business dinner, so it was a web agency one. I'm just going to use the same sort of thing. Just click that. It was, and that one there. I'm going to have look, handily, it has an actual portfolio one, so I'm going to use this one. So I'm back here again. So this is literally, if you think of these sections, if you've done at least 6 bits of work, or even 3 bits of work, you could put your actual work here, an image of your work and whatnot. You can put it in there. So I'm just going to publish this, and I'm going to show you what I mean about having a different showcase picture. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly go back to the dashboard, and I said get a contacts page. So a contacts page is just creating a new page, add new, and contact. So I'm going to call this contact. Contact page, layout, doing it the same one. contact. There we go. Use this layout. Back in again. So here's the contact page. All you're doing is changing these details for how you want to be contacted. I can show you how to do this next week when you have it finished. Okay. Have a look at these sections. Think about it. These sections here. This is just an image in the background. You could be using these images, the work that you've created, to put in the background to showcase your work. Nice and easy. I don't know if I've got the images. I'm actually whacking there just to show you. Upload. Snack file. I did a tree one. I did a tree the day, so I'm just going to do that one. I'm just doing this as an example. I'm not saying, but I'm showing you the things which you can do. Okay. Publish it. So now we have a home page, a portfolio page, and a contact page. I've said I want to have an example of work which you've done. So all that is, so your portfolio page is going to take you to another page to showcase the work that you've done. And all that is a page. So what I'm going to do is add new page. Let's just say you did something with a bread. I'm sure you've done bread logo or something like that. Bread logo. I'm going to use a Divi builder. I'm going to get a page from here. So there's nothing specific, so I'm just going to use a portfolio page again. Hold on, I'm just going to have a look, see if it's any good. I'm just having a look at this. So I don't like to look at that one. Actually, I tell you, we're going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to use this one. So I'll go back here. I'm going to use this layout. Done. Now, essentially, all I want is an example of one of the bits of your work. So I can literally just get rid of this section, and I could duplicate this section, and I want to put a one bar in there. So one. I want to put in a text module in here, so I can literally start messing about. So I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to put in. So there's lots of individual ones in here. So I'm going to put in a text. Can you put a split row in? Split row. I can have text in one section. I could have in this section. I could have more images of the things which you've done. So that could be whatever it is, the brief that you got given. And I'm just going to push that. So you need to play with this to create a page. So literally, what was the brief? What did you do? You could flip that around and have the image here and the text here, and go down and tell that story of how it is that you developed that bread logo, for example. And all you would do is you would join those pages together. Now, what I mean by join those pages together, if I go to your page, I'll go left. I will show you how to join the page in the next video.